When someone enters treatment, most often the first step is detox. They'll meet with a medical provider that will do a history and physical and a full psychiatric evaluation and design a detox treatment plan for them. Every client has a master treatment plan, and that's where they work together with their clinical team on identifying their goals.
One of my favorite parts about this program that's not very common to a lot of treatment centers, in the event that something comes up for them medically, if one of the medications isn't working, or if it's too much or too little, or if some other random symptom crops up, it gets addressed pretty quickly because they're seen every single day. I love that part of this program. It shows how concerned we are with their medical aspect.
Once the detox period is completed, that's when we really start to focus on the mental, emotional components of addiction.
Meeting with your therapist weekly, meeting with your case manager weekly, attending 3 to 4 groups a day. Also, that's when you have access to our other amenities. You can utilize the pool, the fitness center, basketball court, racquetball court.
We do provide PlayStations in every room with the large screen TV, so they're able to kind of kick back after their groups and stuff in the evening, and they can play games. They're networked together with each other, so they can play games with each other within the facility, which is really a neat aspect that we've been able to provide for them. I get a lot of feedback from the patients themselves. That's again, what I think makes us a little different than other places. We want to get their feedback and what they feel would help them relax and help them be more receptive to treatment, and that does include the recreational activities, the amenities, the chef that prepares the meals for them.
In the last week, they will go to partial hospitalization program, PHP, which there they'll be able to walk into town, they'll be able to go to the grocery store, go to restaurants, do those things so that they have more freedom. And it's kind of a test before they return home. Can you handle this?
You can make the choice to get more connected with your sponsor, your fellowship, your sponsee brothers. Cravings and urges, they're always going to be there. It's how you deal with them. You learn how to deal with your cravings, right? You learn how to switch the direction of your thinking and get out of that hole.